I'll release a test charge Q naught. So let it be at a position 1. This is a fixed one. As I release it. So what is this test charge? This is the test charge. So where the test charge is present in the field of the fixed point charge. So therefore, will it experience any force? Yes, it is going to experience a force here. Now, let this test charge, let it have a mass m. By the time when it reaches here, test charge should always be positive. I think you know that this we have made a rule. Test charge what will happen will accelerate. So by the time it arrives here, it will definitely will have velocity. Call V2 that one. So here release test charge. Release from rest. We are entering into the energy aspect. Very good questions on conservation of energy will come. Very good questions on conservation of energy principle with electrostatic field will come. It's really, I think you check advanced, no? Lot of plenty of questions asked in this area because conservation of mechanical energy will come into picture. Definitely it will be the most favorite topic for the process. If you look at the advanced that one. So here also you'll get very good creative questions. So it will accelerate. So now because of acceleration, it acquires speed. Now from where this kinetic energy for charged particle has come? From where that energy will come? Who will supply that energy? So from how that kinetic energy got it. So we can say like a force F is acting because of electrostatic force. So then what will accelerate? Because of that, it will acquire speed will increase, kinetic energy increases. I am asking about the energy. Where is the source for this energy? Yes, the electrostatic potential energy decreases, that will get converted into increase in kinetic energy of the charged particle. So next question comes, so that electrostatic potential energy or what you can call field energy depends on what all parameters. Like we had a gravitational potential energy, gravitational field energy. It depends upon mass, acceleration due to gravity and H, no? This will be, so we took, and what is H? H is the height from the reference point. Similarly, electrostatic field energy will be present. So this potential, this field energy only, I'll call it as electrostatic potential. So we have to derive an expression for that particular potential energy. So let it be at a distance R1. We'll define this position. So let this be R2. Let me take some arbitrary point where it is at a distance R. Okay, let's go for 150 now. Everyone, I think in every group, the message got no. 116 is there. Okay, we will continue. Video will be there, so they'll take help of video and they'll get back. Now, who does work? This F is what? Electrostatic force. You write clearly. What is that F acting? This F is what? The electrostatic force. This electrostatic force only does work on the point, on the test charge. So if the force does work, means the system must possess energy. That energy we are trying to determine that one. So here the work done by electrostatic force in moving charge particle from 1 to 2. This should be equal to F into dr. So what is F? K Q Q naught by R square into dr. So from where to where it is being shifted? From R1 to R2. I'll bring limits in next step here. So this will be dw is equal to kq q naught d by r square, work done in shifting the particle from R1 to R2. So what is this? This everything will become work done by electrostatic force in moving a charged particle from 1 to 2 equal to K Q naught R to power of minus 2 dr. So R1 to R2 minus 1 by R, R1 to R2. 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Okay, this is the expression for work done by an electrostatic force in moving the charge, test charge from 1 to 2 is given by this particular formula. Now, what is the electrostatic force? This electrostatic force, I'll directly say that it is a conservative force. Basically a conservative force. So then how work done by conservative force and change in potential are related. We know work done by conservative force should be equal to minus delta U. Work done by external force should be equal to plus delta. These are some basics what you collected this particular thing what happened. We have defined this in work per energy chapter, gravitation chapter there, and elasticity. These are the three places where a conservative force came into picture, and work done by conservative force should be equal to minus of delta U. Delta U means final minus initial. Final potential G minus initial potential G. So there's the thing. So work done by electrostatic force. So what is the equation it should be now? It should be equal to so this should be equal to minus of delta U12 or minus delta U, you write it. Should be equal to K Q Q naught. I will do one thing. Final minus initial. Keep it like this. Okay, this should become U1 minus U2 equal to K Q naught R1 . Okay, let's substitute few things. Let R1 equal to R and R2 tends to infinity. So this will become U1 equal to K Q Q naught by R. And U1 equal to, let me write all the symbols. U1 equal to U and U2 will become 0. So substituting all, this will become K Q Q naught by R. So this particular interaction potential G, it just depends upon the separation between the point charges. It depends only on separation, like this one. So what is the reference for this? So now you can ask questions. So what is the reference for this? Put R equal to infinity, then what you get? The reference, it will be 0, that one. So to say that the potential is this much, what is the reference we take? 0, where the interaction potential will be 0. It will be 0 at infinity. So why I'm bringing the word interaction potential? Because when the charges are separated by distance infinity, what is the interaction? Will be 0. So therefore, this is called like a interaction potential energy. So like this, we define the quantity, that one. So it just depends on the separation between the point charges. We'll take it out video. Some they're getting trouble with the voice. Okay, there's one formula you have to remember. Okay, let's go for. So that's what we did. Just you can see once. Different books they explained in different way. We have started like this year. This idea is very important. So I just took help of the earlier concept what you came across in the chapter, work per energy, gravitation, elasticity. Those things is what we applied it here.